Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 15th. On the 15th, I'm looking at the market, yeah? This is what we were looking for. We were looking for sales below this point yesterday and buys above this point. So the buys didn't happen. So the buys completely didn't happen. Let's see the sales. The sales, we had a very nice break, closed down here. This was an entry to push down to take profit one, which I didn't even take. I missed, actually. I didn't take it. All right. Fundamentally, today is on Tuesday. We have some GBP news over here, and we have the CPI on the Canadian dollar, right? Quick analysis on our gold. Quick analysis on our gold. Let's see. Price action based on market structure. We're going to use support and resistance to just identify the breakout levels where we need to be careful to jump onto buys or sells. All right. It's as simple as that. All right. So now we have a new weekly low over here, which also happens to be, of course, a daily low. Oh, this is a nice morning star. Well, yes, morning star pattern. You trade patterns, then you know with candlestick patterns. That is, this is an evening star, morning star. Sorry. You're right. We go down. We want to identify the lows of the 4 hours, and here we go. 4 hours low. Let's look at H1. H1, we have a new high forming over here. And 30 minutes, what do we got? We have this happening over here, 30 minutes. All right. All right. So we also have some points over here that we can put for considerations, like this point where the market is right now. A break below that point would probably give you a quick sell to these levels over here. But then let's see how it happens, right? So again, we're still on the buys. You're looking for buys above this point, of which is not really a good buy. Potential buys above 32, 32. And for this house on this other side, is aggressive, potential aggressive sales over there. Yeah. And you can hit take profit 1, 2, and if so, you can also continue going down. So we put them over here. All right, so sometimes the reason why sometimes I put aggressive is because the order maybe it's not really a guaranteed or the percentage of the high probability percentage is that it's a 50-50 trade, like this one over here. The candle may come close down here, but then also the movement is a bit so slow. So let's see. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at today. Nothing much for today. Um, gonna keep on rolling our eyes and see what we can have today. But have a good one, guys, and take care. Bye bye. Trade what you see, not what you think. Right.